ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। भगवानुवाच अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्याद् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः। 14th sloka, 3rd chapter. In the 13th chapter, Bhagavan Krishna told, you have to take everything as prasadam. Even the food you have to prepare and you have to do arpanam for the devatas. Then in return you have to take that annam as prasadam. Then you can become a karma yogi. In this, Bhagavan Krishna talks about the importance of annam, how it came. Bhagavan Krishna says all creatures in the world born out of food. Food is born out of rain. The rain comes as a karma palam of a yajna. Yajna is born out of karma. So that Bhagavan Krishna says in the next sloka also, continuation to this, there are going to few points going to tell some points. Actually the 14 and 15 we supposed to see together, but as per the order we shall see only the 14th sloka in this particular class. Yajna is born out of karma. The rain is the output of the karma palam of yajna. How the rain came? Like that. In the top order, all creatures in the world born out of food. Food comes from rain. The rain comes from, or the yajna causes the rain. Yajna is born out of karma. So karma, yajna, rain, food, all creatures. This is the bottom to top order. Top to bottom order is all creatures, food, rain, yajna, karma. This is the top to bottom order. Bhagavan Krishna here says the annam is so precious. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey. Because annam, just go to paddy field and cut the paddy and produce the rice and cook the rice and eat it. Not like that. Not so simple like that. The apart from farmers' hard work, the behind, see, generally what we are seeing in front, the farmers are working hard and we are getting paddy, and from paddy we are producing rice and we are cooking the rice and we are eating it. But here Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says, not only rice, any food, whatever consumed by creatures, human being and other creatures, are born out of rain. The rain comes because of we do yajna for lokakshema. Because of that, as the output of karma pala, the rain comes. This yajna, how it comes? Yajna is born out of karma. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So food is very important, yajna is very important, karma also very important. So please, we have to understand these principles. Tomorrow we shall see continuation to this. We shall see the 15th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo नमः. हरिः ओम तत्सत्.